Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage online stores. It provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of tools to help users set up and customize their online stores, manage products and inventory, process orders, and handle payments. Shopify is known for its scalability, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Here are some ways individuals can earn money using Shopify. E-commerce store. The primary way to earn money with Shopify is by setting up and running your own e-commerce store. You can sell physical products, digital products, or services. The platform provides tools to manage inventory, process payments, and customize the look and feel of your online store. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products to customers without holding any inventory. Instead, you purchase the product from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Shopify supports dropshipping through integrations with various dropshipping suppliers. Affiliate marketing. While Shopify itself does not have an affiliate program, there are many apps and tools in the Shopify ecosystem that do. By becoming an affiliate for these tools or recommending specific products within your Shopify store, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links. Custom development and design. If you have web development or design skills, you can offer custom services to Shopify store owners. This may include creating custom themes, developing apps, or providing consulting services to optimize and enhance the functionality of their stores. Digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software through your Shopify store. The platform allows you to securely deliver digital files to customers upon purchase. Print on demand. Utilizing print-on-demand services integrated with Shopify, you can design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The products are printed and shipped to customers on demand, reducing the need for inventory. Subscription box services. If you have a niche market or unique products, you can create a subscription box service using Shopify. Customers subscribe to receive a curated selection of products regularly. It's important to note that success with Shopify, like any business venture, requires careful planning, marketing, and ongoing management. Additionally, staying updated with e-commerce trends, optimizing your website for search engines, and providing excellent customer service are crucial aspects of running a successful Shopify store.